stand. It's opening morning of rifle season here in Missouri, and the sun's coming up. Been hitting that can call just a little bit, about every 5 minutes or so, just hitting it once. I know these bucks are running, so hopefully we can get a buck to come walk by, hitting this the big can call from Primos, and there's a buck right there. Nice little buck, nice little buck. That's how you do it right there, fellas. Whew. Oh, 7mm. Oh, he just dropped that sucker. Whew. He's not a giant, but he's pretty. He came running across this field right here, this frost on the ground. It's opening day of rifle season here in Missouri. He's not a giant, but I've been hunting hard this year, and just been seeing a lot of good bucks. There's a lot of good bucks around, and finding time to get out in the woods and sit and get one of these buck shots been kind of a grind for me. It's November the 11th and 11th or 12th, opening day of rifle season. But he came running across this field, and I knew he wasn't huge, but he turned his head and he just looked pretty, so I decided to go ahead and take him. That's the first buck I've seen. It's the first deer I've seen this morning. I've been hitting that can call. He heard me hit it to get him to turn and look my way, but that is the first buck I have shot with a gun in almost 9 years, and I am super excited. Normally I'm just a die-hard bow hunter, but I haven't been able to get deer shot with my bow this year. It's been kind of a grind. We've had a real bad drought, and there's just not a lot of food, and so they're kind of scattered out. Normally in this spot where I'm sitting, I shot a buck here last year, nice buck. And normally where I'm sitting, it's all green and there's grass and stuff, but there just isn't hardly no grass. There's some acorns and stuff. They've been feeding on these acorns, but normally I see about 8 does in here. But that's the first deer I seen this morning. I just dropped a buck, nice little buck, nice buck, pretty. He's not huge, but he's pretty, and I'll be happy with him. But just dropped him right there at probably close to 100 yards. Hundred and one yards. Just dropped him at 101 yards. But anyway, I'm excited. He's a nice little buck. super excited about that. Whew. Go. Alright, here he is. It's a nice little buck I shot this morning. Opening day of rifle season here in Missouri. With my little breakover single shot 7mm 08 hunting rifle. It's the first year I've killed a rifle in probably 8 years, 9 years, something like that. Well, not the first year I killed a doe. That's just the first buck I've shot with a rifle. But nice little buck. He came into the can call this morning. It was a beautiful morning, thick frost on the ground, and I couldn't be happy with this little guy. Been hunting deer hard, just couldn't get one shot. Right here in Missouri, opening morning of rifle season. I just couldn't be happier.
Clay mug caked up on the door, 12 gauge buckshot rolling in the floorboard. Turkey feather flapping up in the visor. Every Friday night she's a dirt road